Welcome to the School of Coffee Beans. This video is about a recently held public cupping event that we organized in collaboration with the Specialty Coffee Project. The event was hosted by Purna Gaudel, a professional coffee roaster working in a popular cafe in Dubai named Archers.ae. He is a coffee enthusiast doing an amazing job at roasting coffee beans. Cupping is the process of tasting different kinds of roasted coffee beans and recognizing the subtle difference in their flavor and aroma. In this event, we had roasted beans from different origins, growing at different altitudes. Those beans were also processed in separate ways before roasting. For instance, some were natural, washed, red, or black honey. These beans we brought were from Ethiopia, Brazil, Indonesia, Burundi, Colombia, Guatemala, and Nepal itself. They were grown at an altitude between 1500 to 2000 meters. While most of those coffee beans were harvested in 2019, some were also harvested in 2018, making it a fresh cup to assess their flavor. It was an exciting opportunity for us to taste the coffee beans from different countries, which are already famous for coffee production. It led us to differentiate the taste and quality of coffee beans produced and used in Nepal. One of the most interesting parts was that we tasted the coffee beans which fell under the highest score of quality. The Panama Geisha series standing at 93 and 91.75. The flavor was truly amazing.